Hi everyone, welcome back to Learning Chinese Characters through Pictograph. I'm Jayee and today we are going to learn another new Chinese word. So let's get started. Here's a hint on what we are learning today. So you can see some branches, woods, leaves, roots, and they actually all come from a tree. People in ancient China observed the many uses of a tree and developed the word mu. Mu. The meaning of this word is wood. Symbolizing a wood comes from a tree. And look closely, you can see that it is quite similar to the shape of a tree. And it all started with the picture of a tree where the ancient China people observed the tree in real life. Then it became like a stick with two sticks coming out from the top, symbolizing branches, while the two sticking out from the bottoms represent roots. It then becomes the word mu we are seeing today. So let's have a look on how to write this word. It's a simple 4-step word like what we have learned before. And you start with one straight line from left to the right, and then one straight line from top to the bottom. So it's just like a backbone of a tree. And then you have one bendy line going to the left, and then the other one going to the right. So you can practice by going to the website that I've provided here, and then using the template that I've given earlier as well. And I'm going to repeat how to write this word. So one straight line from left to the right, one straight line from top to the bottom, one bendy line going towards the left hand side, and you will be finishing it off with the one to the right. And here is the word mu. Mu. And it represents wood. So today, instead of sharing with you a story, I'm gonna show you how to play around with the word we have learned so far. I'll show you another twist of the word we have learned previously. So we learned about the sun, 热, in the first video. And in the second video, you were introduced to the word 月, meaning the moon. And they can actually be put together. And it's a Chinese word that we are seeing today. It's called Ming. So you put together the 热 and the 月. And Ming means bright. So it kind of makes sense because the sun brings along the brightness in the day, and then the moon brings us brightness at night. So it's another fun way of connecting words together, and it actually makes sense. So hope you find it quite interesting, and it will be quite an easy way to remember the words. And it's a good way to recap what we have learned so far, so you can still use the template to revise on how to write those words. And I'm going to remind you what we have learned today. So it's mu, mu, meaning wood. So you have one straight line from left to right, one straight line from top to bottom, one bendy line going to the left, and one bendy line going to the right. Thank you for your attention today, and we'll see you in the next video.